wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best video lighting kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The small size of the neewer high-powered dimmable allows you to use them just outside your video frame as effective hair lights for interview subjects and hosts. They can also easily be mounted in a camera's hot shoe for a little direct illumination. The color filters slide into place and it includes 2 soft boxes. However, it's a tad too weak for serious film use. At number 9, the limostudio 600-watt photography portrait will serve stills photographers as well as it'll work for filmmakers. You can use the included umbrellas to soften the light, or you can leave them off, creating a slightly harsher, more dramatic shot. The set includes 9-foot-long power cables and 3 fluorescent bulbs, but it's not quite professional grade. Coming in at number 8 on our list. So much content these days is shot in front of a green screen that purchasing the lincostore AM169 makes sense for a whole host of producers, whether you just want to play with CG software or you want to create more ambitious science fiction. It provides enough light to cover the backdrop and includes stands and muslins. However, the materials are pretty cheap. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for video lighting kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the independent bank switching on the fotodiox Pro Compact allows you to set one box to a brighter output than another, making this set ideal for applications where your key needs to be stronger than your fill. It can create very smooth, attractive shadows. It's equipped with a strong rear-mounted handle and backed by a 2-year warranty, but it's a bit difficult to assemble. Moving up our list to number 6. If you want soft, even 3-point light on your subjects, then the lincostore Continuous 2000-watt is a great choice. It doesn't allow for adjustments to the brightness of the boxes though, so it's not ideal for dramatic effects. Setup is pretty quick and it includes a sturdy carrying bag. However, it's not the most powerful option. Halfway up our list at number 5. The neewer dimmable bicolor 480 comes with a trio of biflex panels that get surprisingly bright given the fact that each one contains fewer than 500 diodes. The stands are stable enough to support the lights, but it's still smart to weigh them down with sandbags. You get cases for each unit which are made with a strong alloy, though the hinges are a little stiff. At number 4, for cinematic applications that would benefit from spottier lights than most LED panels have to offer, the aputure LS Mini 20 Lightstorm Flight takes the cake. These units are enough to illuminate almost any micro-budget indie set beyond the director's expectations. The dimmer runs from 20 to 100% and the beam angles are adjustable. However, the colors can be a bit off. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. One of the most versatile options on the market, the Westcott Flex Mat provides you with a square foot of light that you can bend and contort to your heart's content. This set comes with a pair, each of which can be plugged in or powered by the included rechargeable batteries. The stands are nice and sturdy and it comes with soft boxes too, along with a hard shell case for safe transport. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for video lighting kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the neewer 2-piece bicolor 660 LED gives you 2 of the company's more powerful panels, each of which can adjust its temperature along a range between tungsten and daylight, meaning you need to spend less time applying gels in the field. It features 330 diodes per color, barn doors to help you shape the light, and a durable aluminum alloy construction. And coming in at number 1 on our list. One of the best things about LED units is their portability, and the aputure amaran AL528 comes with 3 panels and 6 batteries, as well as a charger dedicated to each unit. As long as you have access to an outlet anywhere near your location, you'll have light. It offers a CRI value of 95, adjustable mounts, and filters to change the color temperature. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for video lighting kits, or simply click beneath this video.